Hello, players! Are you ready for a game battle that will blow your mind? In this thrilling video, we jump right into the epic battle between the AYANEO Air 1S and the famous Steam Deck. From handheld greatness to game nirvana, we're looking at every pixel and frame to see if the deck is still the best. Specs. The AYANEO Air 1S comes first. Imagine a 7-inch OLED screen with 1440p quality that is a feast for your eyes. This device is a serious game machine. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and an Adreno 660 GPU. The 5G connection makes sure that you are always in touch with the game world. And with storage choices from 128 GB to a whopping 1 TB, you have room for all your digital treasures. But, as with all high-quality things, the price might make you gasp. Let's move on to the Steam Deck now. This device has a 7-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1280x800. It is driven by a custom APU that was made in collaboration with AMD. It has a quad-core Zen 2 CPU and an RDNA 2 design, which together give it a lot of power. With 16 GB or 64 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, you'll have enough power to play all of your best games. CPU. The AYANEO Air 1S initially promised an affordable option with an Alder Lake Pentium 8505 chip, but this option didn't materialize. As a result, prices increased due to better available chip choices like the Intel Core i3 1215U, AMD Ryzen 5 7520U, and Ryzen 7 6800U, with the Ryzen 7 being the most powerful. In contrast, the Steam Deck offers only the potent AMD Zen 2 chip with a base clock of 2.4 GHz and boost speed up to 3.5 GHz. Comparing clock speeds, Intel Core i3 1215U has a base of 1.2 GHz, boost of 4.4 GHz, Ryzen 5 7520U has base 2.8 GHz, boost 4.3 GHz, Ryzen 7 6800U has base 2.7 GHz, boost 4.7 GHz. The Steam Deck CPU falls between AYANEO's Intel Core i3 and Ryzen 5 options in performance due to its use of the latest Zen 3 design, enhancing its speed. Design. These are the things that are harder to show with numbers alone. Both of these are handheld gaming devices, so they need to have great game specs and a design that is appealing, easy to use, and comfortable. Both of them do, which is good news. First, let's talk about the AYANEO Air 1S. It has a sleek design and feels good in your hand. AYANEO hasn't skimped on the quality of its gear either. The triggers have a stroke of 7.5 mm and a precision of 0.9 mm. The RGB light rings around the mini joystick controllers tell you how much power life is left. This means that you can tell at a glance whether your device still has a lot of power or needs to be charged soon. In the same way, the Steam Deck is a sleek piece of equipment with high-end parts to match its look. The analog trigger lets you do a wide range of things, and the sensitive touch sensors on the thumbstick let you do the same. Size and weight. To start things off, we have the AYANEO Air 1S. Imagine a sleek device that is easy to hold and measures approximately 7.9 by 5.4 by 0.6 inches and has all of these specifications. And in terms of weight, it's like holding featherlight greatness. The thing weighs about 0.88 pounds, which is equivalent to 400 grams. Steam Deck. This portable workhorse is a little more durable, measuring around 11.7 by 4.6 by 1.9 inches, and it weighs about 298 grams. It is built with a bit extra heaviness to fit the strong components that are housed within it. In terms of weight, it clocks in at approximately 1.47 pounds, which may become evident with extended periods of gameplay. Battery. Let's begin with the AYANEO Air 1S. Imagine a gaming partner that is willing to go above and beyond for you. You may anticipate approximately 6 to 7 hours of game action with its 7000 mAh battery, depending on how you use it. Steam Deck, with its 40 watt-hour battery, this powerhouse is made to give you plenty of time to play video games. The amount of time you spend playing the game could range anywhere from 2 to 8 hours, depending on aspects such as the level of difficulty and the configuration options. Colors, inputs, and speakers. To start things off, we have the AYANEO Air 1S. You will have complete command of the environment if you are equipped with a twin joystick setup in addition to a D-pad. You won't have any trouble staying connected thanks to features like USB-C, a headphone port, and expandable storage options. In addition, let's talk about the sound. The twin front-facing speakers offer an immersive and fascinating soundscape, which brings every virtual world you enter to vibrant life. Steam Deck. This beast of a machine features a gamepad configuration that is similar to a console controller, complete with an abundance of thumbsticks, buttons, and triggers. And when it comes to inputs, the Steam Deck goes above and beyond with a dock for TV gaming, USB-C ports, and Bluetooth connectivity. Price. Both of these devices come in a variety of choices with different prices and features. Which one is a better deal? The 128GB Intel i3 version of the AYANEO Air 1S, which costs $599, is the one that costs the least. The Ryzen 7 chip costs all the way up to $779. On the other hand, the Steam Deck costs $399 for 64GB, $529 for 256GB, and $649 for 512GB. All of them have the same CPU inside. So, which one gives you the most for your money? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but we tend to favor the Steam Deck. We know it is strong, well-made, and can play the newest games at a high level. All of this is done, and the price is still affordable. And there you have it, gamers, the final battle between the powerful Steam Deck and the AYANEO Air 1S. If this battle got you on the edge of your seat, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed for more exciting tech and game content. Keep your thumbsticks moving and your frames high until we talk again.